Welcome back to the Crypto Nest. So I think I never covered really Ethereum, or I did, but very short. So I'm going to do like a real count. So this was the wave 1. Let me find the... Okay, so this I would say was our first wave. And this was our A. Actually, maybe let me put in smart A. So this was our A. And this was the B. So we can see then the B's, you can really see the three wave movements. And now we're doing this C. I'm going to put the C here somewhere. That will eventually complete our wave 2. Okay. So now, honestly, for the moment, I just hear feedback about we already saw the lower low, but the same for Bitcoin, but we are missing a leg, and then even I do hear often that Ethereum is much stronger than Bitcoin, but is it? Because I can only count, okay, this is wave 1, this is wave 2, because wave 2 has a B, and a C, and then I can see clearly here it's another wave, so this is a third wave, and this is the fourth. We never had a fifth wave, honestly, and if we had one, it would have been a fifth wave, a truncated one, so it means we had a shorter fifth wave than the third. So let's go and check it out. So if I say that this was the beginning of the wave 1 to here, so we can see that if this was the wave 1, now let me change color maybe after. I'll put it in orange, all right? So this was wave 1. So we actually retraced, bend on to the 0.5. So this was our wave 2. Going to change the settings of this. Okay. So now for sure we're not going to have this. If I do the extension just for fun, but we are not going, hopefully never reach these levels for the ideal wave 3, because we would go to a negative side. But now if I take this third wave, the length of this third wave, the beginning to the end, that we know of, I think maybe. All right. So we can see that we can still go a little bit higher, and it wouldn't invalidate yet the idea that this could be a wave 4. So we need to also keep this option there, and like at this point, honestly, I wouldn't mind to get more Ethereum at that price. This is why I got some Ethereum around here, around 1000, and I sold some here at 1700. I got some more here when we were 1100 or 1200, and I sold, I would say, 75% of my Ethereum. Now, yes, I'm hoping to reach this fifth leg as for Bitcoin, and then I will take all, sell all my Ethereum that I bought in lower prices. For sure, I have a part that it's long term, so those one I will keep them like that. But we just need to be aware of this scenario, and then it means that we didn't see this fifth wave. Now, if Bitcoin is going to, make his last fifth leg as well, fifth wave, and then after that is going to have a big correction. So after that we will see if Ethereum is going to be strong enough and hold this, I think it was 890 or something like that, or if it's going to go lower. If it's going to go lower, then I believe the next support it was around $680, $700. But if that is the case, we will see after and analyze more in detail. So I just wanted to have with you guys, this possible count wave, more bearish for the moment, and then it would kind of follow also Bitcoin count. Now let me go back on the normal chart that I usually use. So we can see that we still have this uptrend green line, and then let me see, it's a while I didn't check. So yeah, okay, so this green line again, like 2-3 days ago, it helped us to hold this level. And then I think I'm going to go on the maybe 4-hour chart. So you remember I said maybe this is the fifth wave, because we did the third wave, and then this was an A, a B, and this maybe was the C. So this is a possible, and it kind of tip in the ideal level for a fifth wave. Ideally though, we would go much higher. And then I said, but also this can be as well, as you can see, we would have reached really the level for the fourth wave here. And then indeed now we did made a higher high comparing to this level. So, chances are that this wave 4 now is finished, and then we're doing this fifth wave. Within this wave, fifth wave, we're for sure is going to have another 5 waves. And then if we start to do micro counting, remember I said, maybe this is the first impulsive move to the upside. And then if that is the case, the wave 2 can retrace between 1500 to is it 1528 to 1610 about. And we actually dip in, it went to this ideal retracement. We actually got also some help from this green line long-term uptrend, and now we're bouncing back. So now it's going to be very interesting to see, because the third wave usually, it has to be a very strong and impulsive wave. So I'm waiting for that now. We need to see this third wave exploding. And we want to really see something, again, explosive, very impulsive movement. Otherwise, it's something else, and then it's going to invalidate this count. Now, if I take the indicators, that's the 4 hours. Let me see. So for the moment, MACD we're in positive levels, and the RSI also it's nice and steady at 63 and almost an half. So we have still some room to go higher. And then the most important one is the daily one. So we can see that we still have here another bullish divergence on the MACD, and also on the RSI I can see a bullish divergence. So yeah, it's we're aiming for a higher price, and then hopefully we're going to reach them. I would say this is pretty much all for Ethereum for the moment. And then hopefully, the next update I'm going to do on Ethereum is going to be that we're making a new, a short-term higher high. It means we will reach maybe the 1800 levels. That would be amazing. Alright, so this is all for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and have a good week.